Alright you guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the Mastery, and today we are going to be seeing if this SKLZ HOPZ vertical jump trainer actually works. So I found this on Amazon and I was just curious to see how it worked, if I felt like it actually worked, and I wanted to let you guys know if this was a cool product or not. So it says that it's functional, maximizes vertical jump, adjustable, easy to change between two levels of resistant bands, move band location around waist to work different muscles, and it's practical, comfortable, padded bands, and ankle strap. So let's go to the gym and put this to the test. So right now, I don't know, I kind of feel like I'm Iron Man testing out my suit for the first time. So weird. Anyway, got some resistance. Obviously I put on the heavier band. It's a little confusing to set up at first, but overall pretty easy. Let me think, just weird. Get some pressure right here. It really like wants to lift. It kind of feels like, what does it feel like? Like I'm walking on a trampoline or something. Pretty weird. Anyway, gotta check out what these workouts are like. Okay, so here's some of the workouts that they say. Vertical jump, linear bound, 45-degree bound, and horizontal jump. So, let's give it a try. So I just got back from the gym, just got done stretching out. I did my 5x5 workout, squats, and then I went and tried these things on. And I mean, it was weird. It was a little weird. It felt weird. Overall, I definitely could feel, I mean, there's definitely tension there. It's like trying to pull your hips back, your heels up. So a little bit weird like that. So I definitely could feel the burn. I could feel the tension. I could feel the pressure. I don't really know what it's doing, to be completely honest. I didn't do a ton of research on it, but it said it could increase my vertical Oh, you guys, I hope I didn't get scammed again. No, but it felt fine. It felt different, interesting. I could feel it was targeting, you know, my muscles a little bit different than it typically does just doing my own body weight. So that was nice. Anyway, I think I'm gonna hold on to this. I think I'm gonna keep using them, and I'll keep you guys updated on the different workouts that I do while I'm using these. So again, as always guys, I hope you're making today the greatest day of your life, and if you are, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you want to take the first step to making today the greatest day of your life, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And you guys, if you know anybody that's trying to increase their vertical, go ahead and share this video with them. And you know, maybe they've tried some other weird jump something or other. Share this video with them. Let them know what I'm doing here and help them join the Macri family. That being said, you guys, I'm making today the greatest day of my life, and I hope you are too. Peace. All right, you guys, I just finished with those, with that SKLZ jump band, whatever that thing was. And the reason why I'm doing this quick dialogue is because once you're done with that and you start to walk, man, my heels are just dragging along the floor because there's nothing shooting them up, like there's no bungees. So anyway, if you ever try these out, you'll know what I mean.